Hey guys, what's good? Coming at y'all with a quick video about a watch I've had in my collection for a while and one I really like a lot. This is the Ares, A-R-E-S, something maybe you haven't heard about before, and this is their Diver 1. Really cool brand, really good people, really take care of their customers. And it's one of these small brands that is designed, developed, manufactured, and run by somebody that's been in the military before. And it's just really interesting to see that design ethos about what somebody that actually uses the stuff would make the watch look like. This is their Diver 1. It's not that expensive. It's a quartz watch, as you can see, and the quartz is really good. It's got a special kind of battery. It's a lithium battery, so apparently it's a 10-year battery life. Hits the marks just right. Bezel, I mean, man, you have got to want to move this bezel. It is very secure. There is zero backplay on it at all. It's a stainless steel case, 42 millimeters in diameter, and you can choose dials, you can choose different bezels. You can see that the crown is up here at 10, so it's not going to dig into your wrist. So yeah, just a really cool, really well-made watch. 22 millimeter lugs with drilled lugs, and these are those special kind of spring bars that are kind of through and through, so you have to get at them with this, and it makes for a very secure connection. I've got on a really cool NATO strap, actually. Well, it's like a single pass strap, but I feel like that works better, like nice thick fabric. But yeah, this is the Ares Diver 1, a really cool watch. You know, you can get it with date or without, and you can get it even in automatic, but this is kind of like their basic version. So this is the quartz, no date. And you can just kind of see it's got that Explorer style dial, not a bunch of text. Really cool. Let me put it on my wrist real quick and we'll talk a little bit more about it, okay? Cool, here you see it. So this is the Ares Diver 1, just a really rad watch. I happen to have another tool watch on. This is yet another Zen 556. I mean, how many of these have I owned in the last year? You know, they were thrown in as parts of trades or trying to, you know, just finding another one randomly out there. I think 4. This is my 4th one. Great watch. Best watch Zen makes, bar none. So anyway, this is the 556. And so this is like a 39 millimeter watch. And so you can see that the Diver 1 from Ares, a little bit larger, but not a ton larger. So like I said, let me put it on the wrist and let's see what it looks like. I love this brand, you know what I mean? I love discovering brands like this and love supporting these American brands that really stand for something. Anyway, let me put this on the wrist, okay? I don't think I mentioned it. Maybe I did 22 millimeter lugs, so that's easy. Then throw that on there, and there you see it on my wrist. Let me tuck that in. Done. So yeah, there's a Diver 1 on the wrist. I love this watch. It's a grab and go, super hard wearing watch. I have no worries about it whatsoever. I think it's 1,000 meters. I mean, that's crazy. 1,000 meters water resistant. So really good water resistance, really good grab and go watch, and not that expensive either. I think these go for like $650 starters. I think they can get pretty expensive though. If you want an automatic or one of their GMT watches, and they have all kinds of different features and stuff, so you can pay as much as you want for an Ares, but the entry level is, you know me, I'm always going to cheap out and try that before I get into the really crazy stuff. I think it offers you a ton of value. I mean, this is cheaper than entry-level anything Swiss. I mean, it's cheaper than entry-level Tag Heuer. I mean, I'd have this over just about any Seiko or anything like that if you're looking for quartz. I mean, it's a 10-year battery life. Come on, man. I mean, it's awesome. I'd have this over any G-Shock or anything, just because you're supporting a great brand and it's got a great aesthetic. I mean, you don't have one of these big, goofy, plastic, colorful G-Shocks on your wrist. You have, something that looks like a legitimate wristwatch, and you can actually wear it and not feel embarrassed about it in other public situations, I guess. Sorry, that was random. Anyway, this is the Ares Diver 1, a cool watch. I think I may have shown it in a couple of videos on my channel, but I don't think I ever actually made a video about it. So I had some time. I thought y'all would like to see it. Guys, take care. God bless. Coming at y'all soon with some more content soon. Coming at y'all soon with some more content. You know what I mean. Bye.